Rose Tan here, inspiring you to live the lifestyle that you want. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I would love to talk to you about the topic of healing. Healing from our minds so that our body can follow. Our mind acts as the captain of the crew. The crew is the body, right? The mind is always in charge, making all the navigation and the turns and the directions of the body. The body will follow. The crew will always follow the captain. So it all starts with our minds. So the reason why I wanted to talk to you about healing from the mind is because what I've actually realized, noticed, and studied, that when I used to cop the cold, flu, or virus, whatever you want to call it, oh goodness, 10 days at minimum that I would be bedridden or on the couch watching Sex and the City on repeat, eating sweet corn soup, and then your taste buds just gets all yucky, right? It gets really bland. You don't enjoy drinking water. Our sinuses gets blocked. It's all that gunk. Anyway, we've just all been through it. So what I've actually noticed is that doing hypnotherapy, self-hypnotizing yourself. Now, a lot of people are really scared when it comes to hypnotherapy. They think it's black magic, or someone's going to make you bark like a chicken, whatever it is, right? There's always good and bad to everything, just a yin yang, up down, cold hot, boy girl, man woman, everything has its balance. But the good side of hypnotherapy is that no one can hypnotize you but yourself. Did you hear me right? Oh yeah, I said you can only hypnotize yourself. A hypnotherapist like myself can only guide you and extract what you want out, what your fear is, or what you wanting to expand and grow and nurture within yourself. What do you want to extract out? Your inner essence, your glowing, confident, radiant self, your powerfulness, your strength, your beauty from within, even your vulnerability, whatever the case may be. A hypnotherapist can help you, guide you through that because you feel blocked. Anyways, back to self-healing. What I do, I tell myself every morning when I wake up, when I feel sick, I go, I'm not sick. Now, it's not denial, okay, guys? It is telling myself, reprogramming myself, my subconscious mind, to tell myself that I am healing. I'm not sick. I am healing. I am healing, and it starts with the mind, and it helps you raise your vibration up, gives you good vibes, which releases all those good endorphins so that you can feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself, boy oh boy, the amount of energy within you just goes right. You just become so self-empowered. You become your self-mastery in a way that you can actually have control. You can actually manage your health state, right? So every day, and catch yourself out when you feel sick. Our normal human brain reaction response will say, oh, I'm sick, I'm cold, I'm weak, I gotta blow my nose, or whatever it is, or spit out your phlegm, right? But tell yourself, catch yourself out every time by saying, I'm not sick, I'm healing. I'm healing and healing. And boy, oh boy, has that helped me in so many times that I've actually fallen ill. I actually say, I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm growing stronger. I will be bouncing back to my healthy state fast. And you tell yourself. And when you actually click to your ear, it really, really snaps you out of that mentality, old habitual way of thinking that, oh, I'm powerless. It's just the flu virus. Guys, if you tell yourself you're giving you up your power, and you are so powerful within yourself that you have no idea, your power can actually light up the whole city. I'm not kidding, right? You can actually just become so radiant and so infectious with your energy. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You know, what you manifest, you create. So it's like, that's what it is. You manifest and you hypnotize yourself. You psych yourself in believing, really feeling, like putting all of your emotions and your being, and visualize yourself hopping up and down the street or something, you know, feeling energy like the Energizer Bunny, right? And tell yourself, I'm healing, I'm gonna become strong, I'm strong. And that cuts back the amount of time that I was sick. I was bedridden for 10 days, but then that only went back to like 3 days. Oh my God. And it's not just that guys, of course, drink plenty of water, okay? Drink plenty of water. And even though our taste buds are so bland, then, you know, squeeze a bit of lemon there, or just flavor it up with some orange, even just rind, right? A little bit of apple juice, or just anything that can actually just flavor it up so that you can feel good within yourself. What I also do, I carry around a mug with me, and I have warm water, a splash of apple cider vinegar again, and a good fresh wedge of lemon, and throw in the actual wedge of lemon into for extra flavor, with Manuka honey. If you have Manuka honey, even better, but I wouldn't recommend the normal honey, because most times it's not really natural honey. You're basically just eating syrup, basically, and that makes you feel worse. I know it may taste like honey, but yeah, try to use Manuka honey and sip that throughout the day. Stay warm and watch like feel good entertaining shows, or read a good funny book. Get yourself into that happy state, like feeling joyful. You know, being in that humorous state can actually help you to raise your vibration up, to feel good, so that you can actually release all that toxins out of your body. So it's a bit what I also do is that I rub my palms together, make sure that it actually gets really warm. Don't do it for too long, because your hands may disappear. I'm kidding. And then what I do a little bit like I practice a little bit of Qigong and Reiki as well. And I'm not a master at that by far, but I'm learning. And what I do, you know, rub it, just get it really warm, and then place it onto your lungs, and then just feel like, and then breathe in and out, and then feel yourself, like imagine yourself, feel that you are just, your vibrations raising up high, spiraling high, and that you're feeling good again. You're not sick, you are healing. I am healing. I am strong, I will bounce back, I will strong. And just by saying I am is a very powerful starting the sentence of your mantras. I am really just makes it a lot more impactful. Like, it's just like you say it with such conviction, because you believe in it. So you tell yourself, I'm healing, I'm healing, and I'm healing. And above all of that, besides telling yourself healing, drink all the warm water, staying warm, entertain yourself, laughter, rest. And I don't mean just your body to lie down on the bed or couch and just rest with our minds. If we are relaxing our bodies, but our mind is like tick, 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 it defeats the purpose, guys. So I hope this helps, and that past this flu season. And I know most of you guys out there are from the States. I think it's like summer there or so. Lucky you guys. Okay guys, up until next time, I'll catch up with you another time with another great topic. Ciao!